Have our morning routines. I'm sure many of you are doing your morning routine right now, watching us in the morning.
That's a good routine. We like that.
But also some of your routines may include working out, a cup of coffee, or also making breakfast.
Yeah, but it's time to start adding connecting as a couple to that list. Dr. B is here to explain why. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
How do we make that happen?
Oh my goodness, there are so many ways, but the easiest ways are the ones that I'm going to share with you today, because those are the ones that we might actually make happen. The first is to have a morning gratitude ritual. So this is when you're going to share something that you appreciate about your partner, something that is just a kind, positive gesture first thing in the morning, and that's going to be more verbal. And of course you can write that down, but something that is just words really of affirmation. And then next, I mean, we all pretty much shower first thing in the morning. It does not have to get saucy, but it does need to get wet in there.
I'm just saying, if you're showering together, you better not need to be at work on time, okay?
Hey,
that sounds like a problem.
I don't know, you can take turns. It's like my turn, your turn. And I mean, there's some teamwork that can happen.
Okay.
Some people say it saves water. I don't know about that. I'm not going to go into that part, but definitely showering together is an easy way to connect first thing in the morning. Next is breakfast surprise. Y'all, how nice would it be to take turns having breakfast in bed? Just adding those extra few precious moments to be able to
again.
Exactly.
This isn't working for my schedule.
I'm thinking that, like, I get up at 3 o'clock in the morning.
This is not going to work for Melissa.
I love this idea. It sounds very nice.
And look, for some of you, maybe you can only do this on the weekends, right? Somebody gets Saturday, somebody gets Sunday.
Sure.
But the idea is to be able to give somebody those precious moments of just relaxing into the day. And of course, if they can attribute that to you and your efforts, that's so sweet. It's
if my honey is listening, I would love breakfast in bed on Saturday morning.
Okay.
I know you can make pancakes.
Take notes. And then lastly, I want you to create a morning playlist. This is a fun way to contribute to your whatever playlist you're using. But like for me, I know that I love to listen to Bill Withers. I listen to Lovely Day. Pretty much every morning is my first song.
I love that. Do you really?
Yeah, every day. That's just Alexa knows what to do. And my family knows, like, oh, okay, she's up.
Yeah.
Because I just find that it's a great way to start the day.
That's
so
really nice.
maybe you find your own song. But yeah, all of these things can really help you to obviously start off on the right foot, but together.
And not everything takes, well, some things can take longer than others, but generally it can just take a few minutes.
I like the way he thinks. Where did he get this from?
You know where he's going with that one, in a very politically correct way. I know you got that in you.
Okay. I'm rubbing off on you.
Got it from Dr. V. We always appreciate you.
So how do we find all your tips?
Head over to drviviana.com, spell out doctor, and that's where I am on social. So if you want to go to YouTube, I have some great new fun things on YouTube, and of course Instagram. I'm there all the time. So Dr. Viviana and drviviana.com.
All right, good to know.
Thanks, guys.
Appreciate you. Still ahead here this morning, weight loss drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy have another